All right, Kevin, I'm not sure how or you're getting that error. I've never heard of that. I don't even know what it means, but I'm going to show you how I go and get to what I was talking about. Obviously, I go to faculty and staff, go to info people. Actually, I got to log into Zen, so never mind. Seemed real easy when I first started, but go to the Zen desktop. Lradney at SAW. Right thing anyway. All right. Now, I have Citrix installed, and but there's usually a use a light version. If and I see what you're talking about now. I've never even noticed that, but you should have something down here that says Citrix Staff. Click on that, and if there's not, if there's a use light version, do the use light version. And if you see anything that says install Citrix, then install Citrix. That's the only thing I can imagine that it's talking about. So there I am, in fact, already in InfoFusion. So if you go to Banner Report, Student Reports, go to Student Academic History, type in 900, I'll put mine in, 110001, and actually that ain't me. I don't know who that is. I must have mistyped. Somebody near me there. I'm going to try changing that to a 1. Too many zeros. There I am. And you see right there, there is the date of birth. So that's one way you can get the date of birth. So I suspect this no apps thing is related to this screen here, but there should be something on here that says Citrix Staff. If not, then there should be some way to install Citrix or use the light version. If not, that's going to be an Ashley Wilbanks question because I don't know the answer.